Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install EndeavourOS Neo version on VMware Workstation. First download by going to EndeavourOS.com. Then scroll down, see here we have the two types of downloads, torrent and magnet. Click on torrent, see torrent file has downloaded, go to downloads, click on this torrent file, go to download, see I have already downloaded EndeavourOS Neo 2024. In your case, wait until download completes and it is ISO file. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation, there is a link in the video description, or you can search for my channel how to install Workstation Pro for free on Windows or Linux operating systems. Click on it. Now click on create new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, here I have the ISO file. Click on open. Click on next. Select Linux. Then select Arch Linux. See here we don't have Arch Linux. So select other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit. Select it and click on next. Then give the name. Give the name. I am giving EndeavourOS Neo 2024 VM. So this will be the name. It is going to store in this directory. If you want to change some other directory, click on browse and select the path. I'm okay with the default one. In your case, select wherever you want to store this virtual machine files and files. So click on next. I'm giving hard disk size as 25 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See, memory has selected only 768 megabytes. Click on customize hardware to increase. Use this pointer to up or down, or you can mention here, okay, number of CPU processors, okay, click on plus. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want edit settings, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click on it and select the settings, or select it on VM and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first option, that is EndeavourOS default, and hit enter. If you want to test the EndeavourOS, you can use by closing this one. But if you want to install, you can click on this install system, or on this console, click on the start the installer. See here we have the two methods, online and offline. I am going with offline. It is up to you. By using this method, after installation, I can update the system. Okay. So select the offline. Wait a moment. Now select the language and click on next. Select the time zone. I'm okay with the default ones, so click on next. Keyboard, I'm going with the defaults, all English US and next defaults. Yes, I want to install grub bootloader. Okay, so select this as on and click on next. Select the first option, that is erase disk, and click on next. Now we have to create a user. So provide user full name. I'm giving user full name as after schools, and this is the username, and this is the computer name, that is host name. I'm giving Neo 2024. Then provide the password for this user. Then confirm the same. Then click on next. Ready to install. See, these are the list of the configurations. If you want to edit any one of them, you have to click on back and you can edit. Okay. So I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on install. This is just confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. I'm going to pause this video and I will resume whenever it will ask us to reboot the system. See, installation is completed. Now we have to restart the system. Select the checkbox, that is restart now, and then click on done. Hit enter. Now provide username that we have given. After installation, we can perform like update mirrors or update mirror. Okay, update system. We have different options. Okay, I am not going to update now, so minimize it. Now open terminal. Okay, now verify the version of the EndeavourOS that we have installed. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed EndeavourOS. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install EndeavourOS on VMware Workstation. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.